Hey there, going to do a quick video on the Studio Live mixer, the new StudioLive32 that we're going to be using here at Calvary Assembly of God in Kissimmee. The power switch is in the back, like normal. Just going to try the video of this as I'm doing it. Back here in the back corner. You turn that on, and it takes a little bit for the power up. I'll try to show you that. Takes a little bit to power up. There's some slight differences with this one than our old PreSonus mixer. This is your fat channel layout here for whatever you select. You select the mic, this becomes your preamp. This is your limiters, compressors, gate, pan, high pass, delay. You can also use the touch screen. Whichever one is highlighted yellow, like the preamp's highlighted yellow right now, you can use this encoder here to adjust the gain. High pass filter, input delay, which we shouldn't have to worry about, gate, compressor, EQ, which is all touch screen also. You just touch it. You can do the gain, frequency, and the Q setting on it. You can also do that from the encoders over here. It changes when you hit to the EQ setting. That's when you hit the select button on each channel. For our monitors are going to be over here under the mix section here. Mix 1 is going to be your in-ear monitors for Nellie and Michael. It actually comes up here and tells you when you do it on your touch screen. Mix 3 is going to be your floor wedges. Mix 5 will be your guitars. Mix 7 will be your drums and bass. Mix 9, 11 are not used, 13 for your recording, and the 15 is for our subs. So like the background vocalist or frontline, whatever we want to call it, we can hit mix 3. All our sliders here become that mix. Also your mute buttons are going to be for that too, so you need to make sure that these are unmuted in the aux that they're being used. Always keep the talkback mic live in everything except for the floor monitors, unless we're not using it that day. Right now I don't have the mute group set up. We do have the DCA group set up, where if you hit DCA, our faders on this side become our groups. We have Nelly on a group, guitars, frontline, drums, band, pastor, choir, and the playout. If you adjust it from here, say like the front line, and let's go back to our main mix. This is the way to get back to your main mix. Let me jump over here for a minute. Inputs, main mix. DCA groups are up on here. If I want to adjust the front line and I have their mix the way I want it, I just want to adjust the volume, I can bring this fader up or down. That's what it does. It moves all of the background singer mics up and down. Same thing for all the rest of them. It's kind of like the subgroups on our old board, but now we have more of a selection to use. Anytime that you have a problem and you need to get back, just hit your input. That takes you back to the 32 channels all the way across the board, and you can hit your main mix out. That brings all the sliders back to where it's a full 32 channels. For our iPod layout, you can hit your aux inputs, and then come over here, the iPod tape, unmute it, and this will be your level for that. These are your mix masters, if you needed to use that. This is the mix groups over here, always selected. You have aux 1, inner monitors, aux 3, floor monitors, aux 5, guitars, aux 7, drums. Hit the next button, goes to the rest of them. Aux 13 recording, aux 15 subs. And get back to the main mix again. Input, mix master. Then you're on your full 32 channels. The mix live again. Another thing on here also, we have our effects. Mute. Effects A, B, C, D. Effects A. Effects B is for the front line. C we're not using. D is for drums. Also, you have the down here, effects A, you hit that, that changes your faders to where you can put in the effects for whatever channel you need. Mix B, same thing, we have that on the front line, and then mix D for drums. And that's a quick overview of the console.